In today's video, I am going to teach you how to teleport home in Minecraft 26.1.2, updated 2026 guide. To teleport home in Minecraft Java, you first need to make sure you are in a world where cheats are enabled. Start by opening Minecraft Java Edition. From there, either create a new world or open an existing one that you want to play in. If you are creating a new world, turn cheats on before you enter the game. If you are using an existing world, make sure commands are available in that world so the teleport command will work properly. Once you are inside your world, go to the location that you want to use as your home. This is important because you need the exact coordinates of that spot. The teleport command sends you to specific X, Y, and Z values, so your home location needs to be recorded correctly. You can view your coordinates in the game and write them down so you can use them anytime you need to return. After you have your home coordinates saved, press the T key on your keyboard. This opens the in-game chat, which is where you enter commands in Minecraft Java. In the chat box, type the teleport command exactly in this format, /tp space at s space, and then your X, Y, and Z coordinates. Replace those coordinate values with the ones for your home. For example, if your home is at a certain set of coordinates, enter those numbers in place of X, Y, and Z. When the command is ready, press enter. If cheats are enabled and the coordinates are correct, Minecraft will instantly teleport your character to that location. This is the fastest way to return home without walking back across the map. If the command does not work, check two things. First, make sure cheats are turned on. Second, make sure the coordinates were entered correctly. Even one wrong number can send you to the wrong place, or cause the command to fail. It also helps to stand safely when testing coordinates, especially if your home is in a high place or underground. For quick access in the future, keep your home coordinates saved somewhere easy to find. That way, anytime you need to get back home, you can open chat, type the same command, and teleport instantly. That covers everything you need to know.